god man. As I said 3-4 वीडियो डालूंगा फिर गायब होऊंगा. So this is the second one. अभी और 2 डालता हूँ फिर गायब होऊंगा. So as you guys already know, your boy loves to always be out to look for different spots and different creatures. And lucky for me, I'm in Goa. Goa is super rich with its wildlife, which I'm assuming not a lot of you guys know. So yeah, Goa is definitely known for its parties, for its beaches, for the Russians. But yeah, it is also very rich with its wildlife, which makes it home for a lot of different animals. Now let me tell you guys that I'm no wildlife expert. I'm just a wildlife enthusiast or a wildlife lover, or maybe I'm just a jobless, curious kid, man. Whatever it is, I just love spotting all these different creatures around me. I mean, I've literally seen so many different creatures from the fucking house. From this house, I've spotted different types of monitor lizards here, some different types of snakes like rat snakes, Russell vipers, cobra, really close. Now I have some videos of all this, some I don't. And with big monitor lizards, I mean really big monitor lizards. And sometimes I have to keep Diablo away from these monitor lizards, man. Or maybe I have to keep these monitor lizards away from Diablo. Apart from all these crazy snakes and monitor lizards, I've also spotted some crazy tarantulas and scorpions inside my house. And one of them was also venomous and I didn't know. And I had to catch that guy and leave him outside the house in the wild. And yeah, apart from these common ones, I've also spotted some rare ones like otters, crocodiles, civet cats, porcupine right here, which you don't really get to see that often. We literally once spotted a small baby crocodile right outside the lake on the road, but he was just visible for 3 seconds and he just ran in. But yeah, ऐसा सब होता है भाई. I really want to see some which I haven't yet, like pangolins. I really want to spot a slender loris. I haven't seen a Malabar squirrel yet, and yeah, of course a lot of different birds. And also I want to really get close to a crocodile. Hopefully it doesn't eat me. I really love crocodiles, man. They are like my favorite animal. I like the way they just function, dude. They're always underwater, full शांत. दिखते भी नहीं है भाई, अंदर रहते मस्त. पर आगे दिखते गर्दी में, जब भी भूख लगता है तभी खाना खाते अपना, हमें शांति में रहते. They are dangerous and peaceful at the same time. I just love them. Anyway, getting back. So this vlog is about one of those days where I decided to step out and shoot some content after a very long time. I went to my friend's farmhouse. I spent like a day there, and the next day we went to look out for some crocodiles, and we spotted around like 30-40. They say that there are over 50 crocodiles there. Always, I guess we saw 30 of them maybe. I tried to record like 20 of them, I guess, or I'm sure you can spot more if you really pause and count. So here is a small vlog from last month or 2 months or 3 months. कभी का है क्या मालूम भाई. Just watch and have fun, man. And if you haven't liked and subscribed already, do it.
Alright, it's raining, not too heavily, but it's still raining. I have decided that I'm going to take a long ride today. Friend has this farm, he's from Bombay. He has a nice big 5, 7 or 10 acre land, I don't know, I'm not sure. So I thought I will take this opportunity to take this ride. The scene ये है कि मेरे बाइक का बैक ब्रेक्स है ही नहीं, सिर्फ आगे का ब्रेक है, and it is very risky to ride in this rain. And I have to go like around 60-65 kilometers. So है तो रिस्क ऐसा थोड़ा सा, लेकिन घर पे बैठना मेरे लिए अकेला ज़्यादा रिस्की है फॉर मी. ये ज़्यादा ही टाइट हो गया यार, ढीला रखना ही पड़ेगा. अभी इधर से पानी नहीं जाना चाहिए. डबल प्रोटेक्शन. हाँ भाई,
वो एक लाइव लोकेशन तेरा ना डाल के रखने को बना रखी.
ठीक है ब्रो.
देखता हूँ तो लॉन्ग रोड पे किधर गया तो.
मैं अभी जस्ट जैकेट पहन रहा हूँ,
ठीक है,
निकल रहा हूँ मैं. चल
ठीक है, तो लाइव लोकेशन डाल बस.
हाँ डाल रहा हूँ. Alright then. पहुंचे थे फार्म पे थोड़े टाइम पहले, and we just won, and the nigga forgot his own farm road. He can't find his house. Shit. It's real, for real. But yeah, a lot of mango trees here. कितने आम के झाड़े बोलते हैं? Damn son. Only 200. That's it. Alright. कैशू अराउंड 1000. समझ रहे क्या? जो भी गरीब लोग देख रहे हैं ना तुम लोग इधर 1000 बिल्डिंग है घर के बाहर, 1000 घर दिख रहे हैं ना, इधर 1000 झाड़ के बीच में रह रहे हैं. दैट्स हाउ सपोज टू लिव मैन. फक दैट अर्बन लाइफ, क्विट दैट जॉब. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. हम लोग के जैसा हालत हो जाएगा, जो खाने पीने के वांदे हो जाएंगे. चुपचाप करो काम उधर बैठ के. सही है. बैक एट इट. मलबरी का झाड़ मिल गया था. अभी फुल अटैक मोड. टेंशन है. वाइट टी शर्ट पहना है मैं. ब्लैक नहीं होना चाहिए, ब्लैक या पर्पल जो भी है. Look at this already. Gotta be careful. Hey, look at this shit. What do you call this fruit, man?
In Malwani we call it jam.
What is this called and what is this good for? Comment में लिखो. What?
Jambu. Jamun plant.
Okay, so it is jamun plant. सही है भाई. खाया तो था पहले लेकिन नाम नहीं मालूम था. So I have this beautiful food and he's still asking me to eat this shit chicken from outside. अरे इतना अच्छा खाना है घर का. दाल चावल भाजी मम्मी ने बनाया, फिर भी बाहर का गू क्यों खा रहा है भाई? Which plate would you pick? This is my plate. And this is his plate with some shit in between. क्या है भाई? वो बीच में क्या है? ये क्या है? Look at this plate. Finish this. This was so good. I'm gonna make a heart on this. This was so good. Oh, homegrown organic hapus. आज नाश्ते में नसीब पोहा है. This is one of my favorite things, as you guys already know. Excited भाई? क्या मतलब? गाँव में लाल कलर का पेट्रोल मिलता है. रसना ना है ना है? वो बात नहीं करता है शायद. कॉन्शियस फोकस देखो भाई. फोकस. नाम क्या दादा तुझे? साई. तो हम लोग निकले ले एक्सप्लोर करने, मगरमच्छ ढूंढने. जिस दिन उसके पहले इतना बड़ा बीटर का मौत हो गया और उसकी लेरे ले था मुर्गी बड़े बड़े कॉकरोच जैसा दिख रहा है नीचे से. इतना बड़ा रहेगा ब्रो. ये इतना बड़ा मिनिमम रहेगा आराम से. दिस गाय मान ये 2 है ना घंटा. इतने बड़े बड़े हैं. देख भाई स्ट्रॉबेरी केक. देखा स्ट्रॉबेरी केक. So Goa and Maharashtra border, there crocodiles both है. तो ये spot पे exactly on this shit there's a female crocodile who comes and sits apparently. Oh my god, I already see like 3 dude, or 4 or 5. What the fuck? Check that out. How many crocodiles can you see? Like a whole gang, man. Look at these guys. They are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11, 12. I don't know how many, but these guys are coming closer now. This guy's been here only. So just notice that this guy doesn't have a hand. His left hand is not there. दूसरे मगरमच्छ नहीं खाया रहेगा भाई. इसका एक हैंड ही नहीं है. Shit, look at this big ass. This guy can swallow one of us, bro, easy. कौन से गांव में भटक रहे क्या मालूम भाई. तो क्रोकोडाइल दिखने आए थे. क्रोकोडाइल दिखने के टाइम पे बाइक बंद ही नहीं हुई. So when we came back to the bike was on. So now we're at the garage here trying to fix that shit. And then we head back home. Thank you, Andy. Come on, man. Look at this. Look at this beauty. And look at this. Hello? I don't want to. Come on. I'm good, man.